Hi, I'm Joanna S. Lucas from PHY124 and this is for my subject, Physics for Engineers.
Hi, I am Joanna S. Lucas from PHY124 and this video is for my subject, Physics for Engineers. In this video, I will discuss how we can solve a problem that is related to motion at constant acceleration. And of course, by solving a problem. So here's our problem. An object is flying horizontally with an initial velocity of positive 7.3 meter per second. If the acceleration of the object has the value of 5.32 meter per second squared, find the velocity after 0.45 seconds and 0.90 seconds. By answering this problem, we should analyze first what equation is applicable in it. Since we have velocity, which is we are asked to find time, initial velocity, and acceleration, we will use the equation for velocity, which is v is equal to d sub o plus at. Our initial velocity in this problem is positive 7.3 meter per second, and our acceleration is 5.32 meter per second squared. And we have two given time here. It is 0.45 second and 0.90 second. Since we have two given time, we will use it to find our velocity. The velocity at 0.45 seconds and the velocity at 0.90 seconds. So, first, we will find the velocity using the time of 0.45 seconds or the velocity at 0.45 seconds. Let's direct it since we already know the equation that we will use. So, the velocity is equal to our initial velocity, 7.3 meter per second, plus our acceleration, which is 5.3 meter per second squared, times our time, 0.45 seconds. We can now cancel the second for us to get the unit that we need, since our second here is both of this has seconds, so we can cancel it now to get a meter per second unit, since it is what our velocities means. Now, just copy 7.3 meter per second and multiply 5.3 meter per second times 0.45. It is equal to 2.394 meter per second. We can add now the 7.3 meter per second and 2.394 meter per second. And the equal is 9.694 meter per second. So, the velocity at 0.45 second is 9.694 meter per second. In the second computation, we will just do what we've done in the first computation we did. So, but we will use the 0.90 second as our time in finding the velocity. So, substitute the given like what we've done in the first one. So, 7.3 meter per second plus 5.3 meter per second times 0.90 seconds. So, cancel the seconds and multiply 5.3 meter per second times 0.90 seconds. And it is equal to 4.77 meter per second. Let's add 7.3 meter per second plus 4.77 meter per second, and it is equal to 12.088 meter per second. So, our velocity at 0.90 second is 12.088 meter per second. So, that is how we answer the problem that is asking for its velocity. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.